Oh, he's got that away, and he's timed it. And straight away, Dhoni says, "We'll have none of this." Well, it's nicely played as well.
Now that's gone very high, and as it turns out, long enough too. Goes through with a shot as well. And he's gone over points this time, so it's a big test for Mitchell Marsh, because one of the best batsmen in the world has now decided to open out. 22 from the over.
Well, there you go, right on cue, Saurav. Speaking of teeing off. Oh, straight this time. Very hard, no chance.
Look at that shot. It's unbelievable. You can play this. It just makes you as a bowler